Have a good day, guys. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very good. I'm going to share a strategy which is a very good strategy for M1 and M5. So this is a demo account to show you how profitable this strategy. So let's get started. First of all, we need to look at previous power high and previous some power lows, and we'll trade in these points. Okay, in power low and power high. We'll stay in market for some points. You can use any lot size. Okay guys, fill and kill formula. The first trade is just placed and is in profit. You will book your profit and run $1.25. Let's move on next index. Power high and power low. We'll trade power high, previous power high and previous power low. We'll trade in previous power high and power low. You can use M5 time frame and you can use M15 also, but I recommend to use M1 for good and speed profit. You can use any lot size you wish, guys. Okay, and you can go with this strategy for make sure profit. Okay, so let's place this trade. Look here, the power high and this is the power low. So let's open the trade. Okay, we will take the profit immediately from market and book some good dollar. 1.50 is booked here. I'm just doing in fast because I'm recording the video. Power high and power low. Here is the power low and let's find the power high. Here is the power high. So in this area we're gonna trade the market. Okay, you can choose any lot size, power high and power low. Okay guys, choose any index you like. Okay, choose any good scalping method. This strategy for quick profit. Just focus on power high and power low and open in power high and power low. $3.6 we booked on this trade using power high and power low. Let's move on next index, X100 index. Power high and power low. This is very good strategy, power high and power low, guys. Okay guys, 1.56 power high and power low strategy. You can use this strategy on M1, M5, M15. Just remember the power high and previous power low. This is power low and here is the market. Sorry, this one is the power high. Just focus on power high and power low. Okay guys, and make good cash from market. You can use basic lot size, you can use big lot size, is all up to your experience. First go and practice this strategy and then come for trade. Okay, 3.4.32. Okay guys, so if you guys want this strategy, check the description and chat with me. We'll explain all point how to hold trades, how to do all things. This is very best strategy and I will explain all in video. This was just a demo to show you how powerful this power high and power low strategy. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.